And sabi niya, hindi na niya yan mababago from me. I've been working since I was 15 years old, and sabi niya, it's not something that he wants to change, and I'm really grateful for that. That he's very supportive na we've been apart again for like 6 weeks. And it's not the typical setup for most people, but you know what, we're making it work. And we want to make it work. And I'm just very grateful that he's very understanding and he supports it, whatever it is, my goals. And I would like to do the same for him. So I try to find the perfect balance. It's not the easiest thing to do, but you know, I'm happy where I'm at. And I'm happy being home here in the Philippines. The truth is, yes, I have 3 different homes. The Philippines for me is still home. I may be doing projects abroad, but iba pa rin, syempre, di ba? Parang pag-uwi mo dito, iba yung pagkain, iba yung mga kasama mong tao, ang sarap mag-Tagalog, yung alam mo yung mga ganang simpleng bagay. Kaya I'm just grateful that he's there for me even if I'm busy, and we find time for each other. And even if I'm on set, we incorporate each other's time, like we're always on FaceTime, ganyan, so it helps.
Saan siya naka-base? And ikaw, Philippines yung base mo?
Hindi ko alam yung, sa totoo lang yung base no. I think, I'd like to say, since I'm here a lot, but I'm still here a lot. It's just that pag may work din ako abroad, din ako. So where work takes me, that's where I'll be. But he's based in Los Angeles. For now, yes.
And tungkol ko lang tinanong ni Janice na your plans of getting pregnant eventually, because sabi mo you still have work. Ano pa ba, parang do you have fears of being a mom? May worries ka ba that you can share with us?
Oh my God, of course. I mean, sa lahat siguro ng role na pwede kong i-play, probably being a mother would be the most difficult and the most challenging ever, because I think I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to the characters that I play. What more pa in real life? If there's one thing that I would like to do perfectly is to be a good mother. Diba? Parang and when that time comes, and if God blesses me with that opportunity, I just want to be a great mother. I don't know. I mean, like, ang dami kong mga examples na I even call my friends and ask them how is it to be a mom, or even as simple as when I see my mom, how she treats me. And I've been raised by a single mother, so parang, you know, parang, I hope I get to be as good as her. I hope I get to be as good as, you know, my assistant and my RM. They're such great mothers. Tapos they get to take care of me as well, and they get to go to work. So yun na lang iniisip ko. Gusto kong makita yung mga, I look up to these people, and they set a good example. Kasi nga, the fact that they get to go to work at the same time and take care of me, na saling pusa lang naman ako, tapos may mga kids sila. So it's nice to see that, na okay, ibig sabihin in the future, kaya ko din yan.
Last question lang, since you're on your way to making your own family, tapos sinasabi nila that show business is not permanent. Ano yung mga plans mo? Or what do you also have businesses other than showbiz? Yeah, pakwenta.
Actually, that's why one of the things that I ventured into producing is so that I could be part of the industry. But then even okay, here's the truth. I love acting so much. When I'm on set, I could probably say that I'm very like I'm at my happiest then pag umaarte ako. Hindi ko rin siya malalet go ng ganun lang. I would still like to continue as long as they'll have me and I can still act. But then, you know, like creating projects for other people is one of the things that I would really like to do. So, of course, when I see talented people, I would know, I see hardworking co-actors, I would definitely love to put them in movies that I'll be doing with my husband. So, yes. Thank you.
Yan. Thank you, Marinel. Ito si Nikki Hill. Ay, Nikki Wang. Di ba? Screen name mo naman yun, no? Hindi naman talaga yun ang apelido niya.
Thank you, June. First of all, congratulations, Nabi. My first question is for Miss Grace. Let's go back 2 years ago. How did your partnership with Lollipop start? Can you share with us a story about it?
Before we have starting, we're really looking for our image na babagay talaga sa SCD. Kasi ang SCD, this is a high quality, very efficient and effective, pero pambasa. And then, namimili kami. Eh since na lahat ng SCD family, they are requesting talaga to have this tabi ko. Tinitignan ko, ang ganda-ganda ng mukha niya. And her skin is morena because we have other product na talagang, for example, yung sunblock, that you have to protect your skin. Para makita nila na hindi lang puro maputi, ang paputi ang SCD. And her image is bagay na bagay sa akin. Very sophisticated, elegant, di ba? But, kaya niya makisalamuha kahit kanino. Yun yung image na nakuha namin sa kanya. Kasi, lalo-lalo nagpanagbenga, kitang-kita namin kung paano niya asikasuhin lahat ng distributor. So, sabi nga namin, oh, we really love her. Siya, paano na ilalaki na namin siya. Ganon. Tapos, ayun nga, in the long run, we're so nakaka-proud to have this Labico. Kasi matakin mo, Miss Labico is Miss Labico. Her image is very elegant and sophisticated. SCD is also high quality. Na talagang hindi ako naglalabas kung hindi 101%. Kaya bagay na bagay na yung sinabi. And nakikilala kami because sa health na we have this habit. Thank you.
Parang tama na, 2 years in a row siya pumunta sa panagbenga. Tama.
Yes. And another next.
Thank you, Miss.
Kasi, I'm so sorry. Kasi nga, di ba, makikita nyo si Miss Lami ko, hindi umuupo halos pag nasa panagbenga. She makes sure na lahat nakakawayan niya, nakakawayan niya, na pag kung sino pwede magpapita, hanggang pwede, go lang siya. Get going. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Gracie. And a question for Lovey. Lovey, how does it feel that merong mga brands, you know, big or small brands that entrust their name sa'yo? And what's it for you?
Oh, it's a big deal for me because I know that it's for of course our bosses, and it's just more than just a brand. Kasi like Miss Gracie built this from the start, going up. So parang to be trusted to be part of this and to be the face of the brand is how do I say this? Ibang kasi yung tiwala na ibibigay sa'yo eh. So I just wanna be able to bring that back. You know, in like small ways na nga lang yun eh. Yung pumunta sa panagbenga, to say hello to everyone, to say good things about the brand, to be genuine about it. These are little things. Kasi I wasn't there naman when she started this. It all started with an idea. It all started with, you know, getting people to work with. And I respect that more than anything. Kasi you're gonna start from the beginning until it grows and it grows and it grows. And now that it's grown after 8 years, and then suddenly sumulpot ako dito. And, you know, they got me and they trusted me. And I just want to be able to give it back. And this, I don't know, in the simplest way possible. So, yeah. I know how it is, yeah.
And last question from myself. I'd just like to piggyback on the previous question about your morena skin. Of course, there are people who can relate, young girls most especially, but there are also people who can, parang they feel not confident in their own skin. So do you have a message to those young girls who sometimes don't feel beautiful in their own skin?
Oh my God. My message to them is, you know what? I would like to say I'm sometimes there. It's not every day that I feel so confident. Sometimes you need to pick yourself up talaga and, you know, keep yourself motivated. That's why it's important for you to surround yourself with the right people and, you know, always have a positive outlook to life. Because you won't always feel beautiful. But here's one thing. You have control over what you do to yourself. You know, you feed yourself with positive words in your mind. You nourish yourself with positivity, diba? With the right people. And also self-care. Nasa sa'yo na yan eh. Nasa kamay mo yan eh. To keep yourself, to make yourself feel beautiful. And that's why, you know, these are added things that make us beautiful, right? And make us feel beautiful. And make sure that you make the effort, diba? And yeah, and just remember that everyone's beautiful in their own way. You don't have to look like someone or to give you assurance that you're beautiful. You know, what makes you different is what's gonna make you shine. So that's what I just wanna remind people. I remember before when I was starting, I was told, I'm gonna share it, that I was never gonna make it because I was dark skinned. I was never gonna make it because I'm flat-chested. Yung mga ganon, nag-uumpisa ako when I was 15. And sinasabihin ako, you're never gonna make it because you're big, you're chubby, ganyan. Ang dami yung mga words na ganyan. But it never ako, syempre naapektahan ako, but then I gave myself a few days to sulk. And then, you know what, babangon ako ulit, and you know, I'm just gonna enjoy myself. Gagalingan ko sa work ko, aalagaan ko yung sarili ko, and then, you know, things will come through eventually. So, don't let yourself feel down, stay positive, and just work to become at your best all the
Yes.
time.
Ang